Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I having one Samsung washing machine. Today my topic is Samsung washing machine. This is washer and dryer. This machine having problem with the gasket. Though gasket already got damage here. Here one huge damage. Also here damage. From here to there while using time water leaking. Because of that I'm going to replace the door gasket. Now I'm going to show you how to replace the door gasket. It is very easy for us, and we will go to the next step. First of all, we have to remove the top cover and front panel and front door. After that we have to remove the balance everything, and we will go to the next step, and I will show you how to do that. Back cover, top cover, two screws are here, and after that we can take it out. Drawer and two screws are here. And also I have to remove here door spring. Here door spring we can remove like that. Slowly we have to remove, otherwise. Okay, anyway, it is gasket already got damage. Now we have to remove the door switch, two screws. And also you can see here, this one also one door switch we can remove. We have to remove this one also. Now we can release the gasket from the front cover. Also we have to remove screws are here, front panel screws, and after that we can remove. Now I already removed the front panel. After that we have to remove these two screws. One, two, three screws here. Now you can see we have to release this lock here. Now we can take it out though. Now you can see here the gasket, here dry duct here. We have to remove this dry duct gasket lock. Here is one spring, actually we can release that spring here. We can remove. Now we have to release this one, and now we can take it out. You can see here also damage, also here huge damage. Because of that, actually machine while working time pressure sensor is not stable. It will come sometime malfunctioning because of the pressure, water pressure. It's not come permanent. Because of that we have to replace this gasket. We can repair, but it is not the good work. Because of that only I am decided to replace this gasket. Now we have to, while we are going to replace this gasket, definitely we have to remove this balance. This is 13 number nuts all. We have to remove all 6 screws, and after that we can take it out. Now I am going to remove that one. already remove two balance. Now we can change, we can fix new gasket. We have to release this spring before fixing. Now I'm going to fix new gasket for the washing machine, but here a little bit dirty, we have to clean. And this gasket, before fixing, you have to check this arrow mark. Also here one arrow mark. We have to fix in between here and here. It should come to the arrow mark. After that it will come direct. Its balance it will come here like that. This arrow mark also it's coming here after fixing. And because of that we have to care of about that. Now I'm going to fix this one. Now you can see here, and before fixing this one we have to take this one, this spring, we have to keep it up. This one I have to fix. Now okay, I fixed already. Now I already tied the which is spring, top spring. Now I have to fix again gasket for the duct, dry duct. Here now we can fix balance again as same before. Okay, already balance everything. Now we have fixed front door cover. Now we go fish here. Now I'm going to fix the door cover, front door. Here before fixing we have to fix this all. Here lock also, and also here we have to fix properly this door switch, and also this screw we have to fix before fixing the door. Now it's okay. Now I can fix the door. It will come like that. Yeah, okay. And now I have to fix the screws again. Again. Well, now I have to fix the door. Three screws again. There is another bag. Okay, Appliance. You want to put it in. Now I have to fix door switch here. Already fixed. Now I have to fix gasket again to the door. Now I already fixed gasket. Now it's complete. Now I have to fix only the gasket springs. Now already fixed, everything perfect. Now we can close and check. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix the front panel only. Now we have to fix detergent drawer. Now it's okay. Also now we can give the power connection and we can check. Now I already given power connection. Now I will go for the spin cycle. After cancelling ring cycle, is coming direct spin. Now I can select whatever 1002. Now door already got locked. Now I have to fix only the top cover. My job already completed. Now I can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video.